Right now, everything is shifting. Right now, something unseen is rearranging my reality. Right now, the air feels different. The moment feels different. I feel it. I know it. This is the beginning. This is the turning point. This is the version of my life where everything opens. I breathe in, slow, deep, and I let my body soften. I let my shoulders drop. I let my jaw release. I let my mind become quiet and ready because I am receptive. I am open. I am available for abundance. I am available for wealth. I am available for the life that is already reaching for me. I listen. I feel. I allow. And I remember something powerful. Money is energy. Money is movement. Money is flow. And I am flow. I am the kind of person money loves to move through. I am the kind of person wealth loves to find. I am the kind of person blessings love to follow. The story is changing. My frequency is changing. My identity is changing. And from this moment forward, money flow. S to me. Money flows to me easily. Money flows to me naturally. Money flows to me in expected ways and in surprising ways. It finds me in calm moments. It finds me in joyful moments. It finds me while I'm living my life, because my life is magnetic. My presence is magnetic. My energy is magnetic. I don't chase. I attract. I don't force. I allow. I don't strain. I align. And right now, I align with abundance. I align with financial freedom. I align with overflow. I align with the version of me who receives without tension. I receive with peace. I receive with certainty. I receive with gratitude. And this is how it begins. Softly, powerfully, quietly, inevitable. Gratitude wave emotional soft entry. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this morning. I am grateful for this moment that is reshaping me. I am grateful for my life, even the small parts, especially the small parts. I am grateful for my mind, learning new patterns. I am grateful. L for my heart, staying open. I am grateful for my body, carrying me forward. I am grateful for every sign that confirms I am supported. I am grateful for every door opening at the perfect time. I am grateful for the way life meets me when I choose to believe. I am grateful for timing, for alignment, for protection, for guidance I may not even see yet, but I can feel. I am grateful for the wealth that already exists around me, the wealth in the air, the wealth in ideas, the wealth in connections, the wealth in opportunities that are already on their way. I am grateful for the wealth inside me. My creativity is wealth. My voice is wealth. My focus is wealth. My talent is wealth. My intuition is wealth. My discipline is wealth. My energy is wealth. My presence is wealth. I am grateful that I am learning to receive more. I am grateful that it is safe to receive more. It is safe to have more. It is safe to hold more. It is safe to expand. It is safe to shine. It is safe to live well. I am grateful that I was made for abundance. I am grateful that abundance was made to find me. I am grateful that today is not random. Today is aligned. Today is chosen. Today is a portal, a new beginning, clean slate, a higher standard, a higher self. I feel gratitude moving through me like warm light, like a gentle sunrise, like golden calm. And in this gratitude, I become magnetic. In this gratitude, I become open. In this gratitude, I become ready. Because gratitude is a signal. Gratitude is a frequency. Gratitude is an invitation. And my gratitude invites wealth. My gratitude welcomes money. My gratitude expands my life. I am grateful now as if it is already here. Because it is. It is already unfolding. It is already happening. It is already mine in the unseen. And I can feel it approaching. Identity shift phase core transformation begins. I am becoming the version of me who expects abundance. I am becoming the version O. For me who is comfortable with wealth, I am becoming the version of me who moves calmly and receives powerfully. I am becoming the version of me who trusts life. I am becoming the version of me who trusts myself. I am becoming the version of me who knows my value without needing proof. I am becoming the version of me who walks like it's done. I speak like it's done. I breathe like it's done. I live like it's done. I am becoming. Every day I become more aligned. Every day I become more available. Every day I become more open. I feel the shift in my choices. I feel the shift in my standards. I feel the shift in my confidence. I feel the shift in my calm certainty. I am upgrading. I'm elevating. I'm expanding. I'm stepping into a richer reality, a richer mindset, a richer identity. I release old limitations like a coat that no longer fits. I release outdated stories with a gentle exhale. I release the need to overthink. I release the need to rush. I need to question my worth. I remember my worth. I embody my worth. My worth is stable. My worth is constant. My worth is undeniable. And money responds to that. Wealth recognizes that. Opportunities respect that. I don't just want abundance. I embody abundance. I don't just think about wealth. I think like wealth. I move like wealth. I decide like wealth. I speak like wealth. I operate like wealth. Because wealth is not only something I receive. Wealth is something I am. I am wealth in motion. I am abundance in human form. I am prosperity in a body. I am the kind of person who creates value everywhere I go. My presence improves things. My ideas improve things. My energy improves things. And money loves value. Money loves impact. Money loves expansion. I am becoming the person who welcomes money with love. I welcome money with respect. I welcome money with clarity. I welcome money with gratitude. I am becoming the person who am. Manages money wisely. I am becoming the person who multiplies money naturally. I am becoming the person who grows money steadily. I am becoming the person who invests in myself without hesitation. Because I am a powerful investment. I am a brilliant investment. I am a safe investment. My future is worthy of resources. My future is worthy of comfort. My future is worthy of elegance. My future is worthy of freedom. I choose that future now. I choose it in my mind first. I choose it in my identity first. I choose it in my energy first. And life follows. Reality follows. Money follows. I feel it. I feel myself stabilizing at a higher level. I feel myself grounding into certainty. Not loud certainty. Quiet certainty. The kind of certainty that doesn't need approval. The kind of certainty that doesn't need permission. The kind of certainty that simply decides. I decide wealth is normal for me. I decide overflow is normal for me. I decide success is normal for me. I decide receiving is normal for me. I decide thriving is normal for me. I decide financial ease is normal for me. Normal, natural, expected. I am the kind of person who wakes up and receives good news. I am the kind of person who checks and sees numbers rising. I am the kind of person who attracts generous opportunities. I am the kind of person who is paid well and paid on time. I am the kind of person who is valued. I am the kind of person who is compensated with excellence. I am the kind of person who is supported by life, supported by timing, supported by the right people, supported by the right ideas at the right moment. I am supported in ways I can explain and in ways I cannot explain. I don't need to know the whole path. I only need to be available for the next step. I only need to be open for the next idea. I only need to be ready for the next opportunity. And I am ready. I am ready now. I am ready to receive. I breathe again. And I feel T deeper in my chest, in my belly, in my spine, a quiet power building, a calm confidence rising, a new identity locking in. I am not hoping. I am not wishing. I am choosing. I am declaring. I am embodying. This is who I am now. I attract money with my energy. I attract money with my clarity. I attract money with my confidence. I attract money with my joy. I attract money by being me, fully, authentically, boldly, calmly. I attract money because I am aligned with value. I attract money because I move with purpose. I attract money because I am connected to abundance. I attract money because I expect it, and expectation is powerful. Expectation shapes reality. Expectation trains the subconscious. Expectation becomes my default. My default is abundance. My default is wealth. My default is overflowing resources. My default is financial expansion. And I feel my mind accepting that, softly, gently, deeply, like a new program installing, like a new truth landing, like a new world becoming real. I am becoming the wealthiest version of me inside first. I am becoming the calmest version of me inside first. I am becoming the clearest version of me inside first. And then, everything outside follows. Everything outside matches. Everything outside mirrors my new standard. My new standard is abundance. My new standard is prosperity. My new standard is ease. My new standard is overflow. My new standard is being richly supported. I am supported now. I am supported today. I am supported in ways that expand weekly and monthly and yearly. I feel my timeline upgrading. I feel my life lifting. I feel doors unlocking. I feel rooms opening. I feel new conversations appearing. I feel new chances finding me. I feel new streams of income forming. I feel new pathways lighting up because money flows to me. Money flows to me when I'm calm. Money flows to me when I'm focused. Money flows to me when I'm grateful. All money flows to me when I'm in my purpose. Money flows to me when I'm being led. Money flows to me as I become more me. And I am becoming more me every day. More authentic, more decisive, more radiant, more aligned, more prosperous. Transition into power building. The rhythm begins to rise. Today, I move differently. Today, I think differently. Today, I speak differently. Today, I choose differently. Today, I hold myself like someone who is blessed, like someone who is favored, like someone who is destined for overflow, because I am, because it is written in my energy, because it is inevitable when I align. And I am aligned, aligned with wealth, aligned with success, aligned with opportunities that match my worth, aligned with people who respect my value, aligned with outcomes that exceed my expectations. I am ready to be paid well for what I know. I am ready to be paid well for what I do. I am ready to be paid well for who I am. I am ready to be rewarded for my courage. I am ready to be rewarded for my consistency. I am ready to be rewarded for my growth. I am ready to be rewarded for my impact. Because I create impact, I create results, I create value. And value returns to me multiplied, returns to me expanded, returns to me enhanced. I give value, I receive wealth, I give excellence, I receive abundance, I give love, I receive support, I give focus, I receive rewards. This is balance, this is order, this is flow. I am in flow with money, I'm in flow with opportunity, I'm in flow with success, I'm in flow with the best case scenario, and I can feel my subconscious agreeing. Yes, yes.